Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel membership here in Canva. So let's begin. Canceling membership here in Canva is a simple process that is a significant decision, and of course there are a lot of reasons why someone might choose to do so. Now once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the gear icon settings in the top right corner. That will lead you to the billings and plans, and from here all I have to do is click the cancel option here if you are subscribed to the Canva Pro. Okay, in my case I am using the Canva free subscription, which is free forever. All right, but if you are subscribed to the Canva Pro subscription, all you're gonna do is click the cancel option here. All right, now if in case you are encountering any problems canceling your subscription or your Canva membership, you might want to click on the Ask a Canva here to see if you get an answer. If you don't, you might want to click on the View Help Center. You would be forwarded here wherein you can type your questions. All right. Obviously, we need some intervention from the Canva support team so they can give us insight on troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. All right. You can click on Load More. Normally, it's a straightforward process, but sometimes, they encounter issues. And from here, all I'm going to do is describe the issue, add a screenshot of the issue, which is optional, so that they can better assist you with. All right. And once you have sent the email, one of the support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any problems canceling your membership here in Canva. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.